Hey guys,
Hi.
today
Oh, you do it.
today we're unboxing the Halo RA5 watch.
RS5.
RA5.
So it has a couple of really handy features that we think would make this a very attractive smartwatch for fitness enthusiasts. Primarily, it's the big 2-inch AMOLED display. But before anything else, we are shooting this video using the TECNO CAMON 40 Pro 5G. We posted a review of this smartphone in our channel. So if you haven't seen it yet, head over to Tech Kuya on YouTube, check it out, and make sure to subscribe to us.
Ah, wow.
Okay, so among the features of the RS5, dual core 2-in-1. I'm not exactly sure what this 2-in-1 is supposed to mean, and it also includes a braided strap. The back lists more important information such as the 2-inch AMOLED display, 150 workout modes supported. It also supports Bluetooth calling, voice assistant, and the battery life apparently is going to last for 9 days. Health monitors include a heart rate monitor, blood oxygen level monitor, and sleep monitoring. So here's that free braided strap. I like the color. It's a mix of dark green and light green. This has got to be one of my favorite materials when it comes to smartwatch bands because it feels more comfortable and it is really easy to snap on and off because of the Velcro material. Okay, next you have the USB Type A to smartwatch charger. Probably the most important part of the manual is the QR code for the app, but you can look it up. It's the HAYLOU Fun app in Google Play Store. Now we get to the exciting part, the watch itself. Let's turn it on. Okay, so I'm now at the notification access setting, and if I tap on message notice, it automatically selects a number of communication related apps. All other apps can be manually toggled. So here you have 3 different settings that you might want to enable to make sure that the HALO Fun app is always running. So you just have to go through this and select which ones you would want to enable. So now we have finished connecting and setting up the HAYLOU RS5 on our phone. Okay, let's go through the different watch faces. Oops, it automatically turned off in just 3 to 5 seconds, which means the power saving setting might be a little too aggressive. We're going to fix that later. So this is the default one. I love the black and white color scheme with the dash of red for the seconds hand. Next. Ooh, okay. Very large numbers. Very nice. And last, a more detailed display showing the step counter and the calories burned. All right, I want to go to settings because the display is so aggressive, it keeps turning off. Next, for brightness, let's see if there's an auto brightness setting. Right now, it's set to the midpoint. This is full brightness. Back to midpoint, and this is the lowest brightness. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 brightness levels. We're gonna keep it on the second brightness level, and this is the automatic display off, which is set to 5 seconds by default. We're gonna increase that to 15 seconds, which is the maximum. Next, we have password, which is going to prevent anyone from just being able to access your smartwatch and opening it without entering your password. Race to wake, I like to keep that on. So the screen is currently off and now I'm gonna raise it. Didn't work again. All right, you have to raise it and move it faster for the display to automatically turn on. Now I'm gonna try to switch the straps. All right, so very easy to remove the stock straps. Now we're gonna put on the braided ones. There you go. So this is what the HAYLOU R5 looks like when it's worn on your wrist. Very stylish. So from what we're seeing, this is a feature-packed smartwatch. Now, the only thing that's missing here that some of the more active users might look for would be GPS. The other feature that I normally look for in smartwatches is the automatic brightness setting, which unfortunately the HALO R5 doesn't have. But there are three really strong features in the HALO R5. So number one is the large display area, 2 inches. Next is the AMOLED display panel, deep blacks, and also better battery life. And number three is the built-in Bluetooth speakers, which allow you to make and receive calls. So that's it for the HALO R5. Do you have any questions about this smartwatch? Let us know in the comments. For more videos like this, head over to TechKuya on YouTube, subscribe to us, and we'll see you guys there. Paalam.